Here's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let's see how to use the seek bar while playing videos. So let's start the gallery. Here's a video, and these things below are the other videos. So if I tap on one, it's showing a different video. Tap on the first one, it's showing the first video. Okay, but if I simply tap on it, there is no seek bar on the lower portion. Neither can I drag it to the left and to the right. So how to seek it forward and backward? Tap on it. Now the first thing which is shown here, that's the current video, and the white line is moving forward, as you can see there. So tap on that thing. Now it's zoomed in, it's showing it in a larger size, and now you can move that one, and that's the seek bar. So now it's playing the front of the video, the beginning. Now it's playing the end of that video. It's not available when it's full screen. You have to make it smaller, and then you can go to the front side or the back side of the video.